Hi, are you able to see me now?
Oh, yes, now I am able to see. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you? It's morning time in India, yeah?
Yes, it's 11:53 a.m.
It's the morning. What is the time there?
It's 11:53.
11:56.
Yes, it's
Okay, okay.
going to afternoon.
All right. So may I know your name, please?
Yes, why not? I will introduce first myself, then it might be easy to know a little bit about myself. Okay. My name is English Nayak, and I am from Odisha.
Okay,
Odisha, it's my state name, but my country name is India.
okay. All right.
And
So,
I have completed my bachelor degree in political science, and nowadays I teach the students of the middle school, and also I am a tailor. I stitch only ladies outfits.
okay.
That's all about me, ma'am.
That's all about me. Are you a YouTuber too?
Yes, I am a YouTuber.
You are a YouTuber. What is your channel name?
English is cool. It's my channel name.
Okay. How is going?
It's not going well and not bad.
Okay. All right. Okay, let me introduce myself. So, as you
Yes.
know, my name is Hema, and I was raised and born in India, Delhi, and I have completed my post graduation in Hindi honors. And after getting married, I came to Australia, and here I have completed my Bachelor of Education, and therefore I have been working as a teacher here. Besides, I have a channel on YouTube, which is the art of speaking English, and that is very
Yes.
brief introduction of mine.
It's okay, ma'am. No problem. That's very good.
Okay, so you have been learning English, are you?
Yes.
Okay, so how is your English going? How is your practice going?
It's going well. Sometimes I can't get time to practice much, but it's going well. I am practicing with myself every single day.
That's great. So, would you like to talk about your hobbies?
Abid, ma'am, don't ask about it because I like everything, but I don't like anything. So my hobby, I don't have any hobby, but nowadays I am very interested to speak different languages. That's all.
All right, that's good. So, how is Odisha? I never ever been to
Odisha is
Odisha.
yes, Odisha is good. You know Odisha? Anything about Odisha?
Actually, I don't have any idea about Odisha.
Do you know Puri, Jagannath Puri?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yes, I know that. Okay, is it in
Yeah.
Odisha?
Yes,
Wow.
it's in Odisha.
So, have you been there, that temple?
Yes, one when I was at school that time.
You are very fortunate soul.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, would you like to
Okay.
describe about Jagannath Puri?
I don't know too much about Jagannath Puri. When I was, I think, in 10th class, I visited one time. But
Mm-hmm.
yes, everyone is saying that sea beach, Golden Beach, it's very good to see at night and making fun. It's very nice. And Jagannath Puri, the special thing is abada, prasad. It's very
Yeah,
famous
I heard
here.
about that Prashad. Yes, yes, I know
Yes,
about it.
and one is sweet. We call penny. We call penny. It's sweet. Oh my God, it's very delicious, ma'am. I like it.
Ah, is it very yummy?
Yes,
Yeah.
very delicious. And it's round. It's very
Mm-hmm.
tasty.
So, you know what? I'm going to come in Odisha.
Yes. When?
Yeah, I wanna be
When you
there.
will come?
Let's see, but I will come definitely one day.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. Everyone is saying that Golden Beach is very good to see. That looks. So I
Mhm.
never visited, but I will suggest you come once.
Okay, that is great. So, do you have any questions you would like to ask?
No, ma'am. I don't have much questions.
You don't have
But
any questions.
okay, no, I don't have much questions. So we can discuss simply like friends.
Okay, that
Okay,
is
what do you like, ma'am?
Sorry, would you repeat it again?
What you like to eat?
What I like. What I like.
Yes, yes.
I like to meet with nice people like you, and I like
Thank
to
you.
talk to them. I like to know more about them and their lives. If I can help them, I would be very happy to help them. And also, I like singing songs and dancing, and teaching is my passion. So, yes.
Which song is your favorite? I mean, what type of song you like? You most like to listen?
When I was, young, when I was in year 12, I used to listen Dil Hai Chota Sa,
Oh my God.
Choti Si Asha. Yes, that is my
So you
favorite song.
like to listen Hindi song?
Yeah, I do listen Hindi song and I also listen English songs as well because I'm a teacher here. So sometimes I have to sing with my children. I sing along with them and then we enjoy, yes, dancing and singing times in our classrooms.
Okay. How much kids you have?
I got two kids.
They are small or big?
Oh, here children they're not young, very young, because of that atmosphere. Even when they turn, when they 10 year olds, then they started, then they start looking some other activities. So yeah, they are very mature actually. Even you see 3 years old child, that child is also very mature. So yes,
Yes, yes.
mature than me, I would say.
That's nice.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, do you like to watch movie?
I like it.
Do you like it? Okay, which is your
Yes.
favorite movie?
Nowadays I am learning English, so I can't get time much to watch movies. But recently I was watching The Mother of Dragons.
You are watching or you watched already?
No, I watched already.
You watched already. That is great. Is that good movie?
Yes, but sometimes
Okay.
they are using their own mother tongue, not English. So that time it's a little bit boring, but I like that dragon movie, action movie. I love it.
That's great. That is great. So, would you like to say something about what you have done in the morning?
So in morning, nothing
Yeah.
special as usual every day. Not too much. I wake. Sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I woke up around at 6 6 a.m. Then
6 a.m.
yes, then I get out. Then I got out the bed and I prayed. It's my everyday routine. I will after wake up I will pray definitely. Then I made my bed. Then I went to use bathroom. Then I brushed my teeth and I washed my face to get fresh. And also I am a teacher. My private tuition institution. So after came I made tea myself for everyone. It's my daily routine. Then I started to teach my students, and then I helped my mother in our household work. After that, I went to take a shower and then breakfast. It's like this, ma'am. Every day that same thing, same
Okay.
work.
Okay. So that's mean it was a very busy morning for you.
Yes,
Yes. Okay.
very.
That's good. All right. If you have any question, please feel free to ask.
Yes, Fahna. My teachers are saying my pronunciation is not clear. It's not good. So
Yes.
I know, ma'am, that so sound. I am doing a lot of mistakes. That so sound. S J J. So can you say something about it?
So if you want to improve your pronunciation, first of all, you need to read out loud every day. Make sure you do that, and it will really helps you to improve your pronunciation. And there are also several ways to improve your pronunciation, such as you can also, sing in English. Yes, singing is a very good technique, singing in
Yes,
English, and also you use the mirror techniques, talk to yourself. And while you're talking to yourself, you need to, see if you are able to understand yourself or not. And you can also record yourself. But I would say read out loud is a really very, very good technique. And also you can follow the shadowing techniques. So if you watching movies, you make sure you watch that movie with subtitles on.
yes, yes.
Okay, and then you need to pause the video and repeat the dialogue. Okay, after the character, when you repeat the dialogue, what will happen? It will helps you to improve your pronunciation. So repeat that dialogue 5 6 times. Do that for 1 month and you will see immense improvement in your pronunciation.
Okay, thank you.
No
Thank you for
worries.
your. Okay, I have another question. Do you think phrases and idioms are very necessary to speak yeah, using English?
Could you please repeat again?
Do you phrases and idioms are very necessary to use in English?
Very necessary to speak in English. Your question is this,
Use
is
in
it?
English. No, use in English.
Uni.
No, ma'am. You cannot hear me. Oh, my network is very slow, ma'am. Use in English. I mean, phrases and idioms are very necessary to use in English because nowadays everyone is using phrases, idioms. They are using very shortcut way to express their feelings. That's why.
When you want to use idioms, you're talking about that, yeah? Phrases and idioms. If you want
Yes,
to use phrases and idiom, you can use in your informal language. But when you need to speak your formal language, you make sure you don't use that. Imagine if you're writing or telling your boss you are not able to complete one of the tasks, yeah, and that is very hard for you. If you say your boss, this is not cup of tea, it's not a piece of cake for me, do you think it
yes.
will make sense? Yeah, it will not
No,
make
no.
sense in that case. So we use idiom and phrases while we talking informal language. But when we have to talk in formal language, we make sure we use proper grammar, proper sentences. Okay. So we don't say
Yes,
this
yes.
to our boss. Okay, boss, this is a piece of cake for me. I can't do this. Yeah, instead
Yes.
of we say
Now,
dear boss or dear, the task you have given to me, that seems very difficult for me. I have no experience at all, and please give me some time to gain some experience, then I will be able to complete this task. So yes.
yes. Because
Okay.
I don't like to use idioms, so that's why I ask because it's not my words. I believe it idioms phrases. That's why I asked you. Okay, I think we don't have now too much questions. Can you say? Can you give me feedback? How is my English, my pronunciation, my grammar, my fluency, everything?
I think you need to do lots of practice, and practice makes us grow and learn. Everybody need to do practice, and with practice you will develop, you will learn. Okay, you will see a tremendous improvement in yourself. First of all, as you need to make sure that you read out loud every day, and secondly, you need to make sure you listen English conversation or lecture, whatever, podcast, whatever is convenient for you. So feed your mind with English content. And also you need to make sure that you speak English. Okay, as much as is possible you need to speak English. Don't just think like, oh, my pronunciation is not good, I'm not good at English. You will be, it will take time. Okay, it is a gradual process, so you need to have patience and you need to be consistent while you're learning English. Add English in your daily routine life. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I think time is going over. Yeah, because we have started late and it's already 16 minutes. So I'll
Yes.
catch you later, and it is really nice to meet you, and keep practicing. And if you have any doubts, you can message me, okay?
Okay. Thank you
Thank you
so much.
so much, and I
Did
really
you enjoy,
appreciate.
ma'am? Did
Sorry,
you enjoy with me?
sorry.
Did you enjoy with me?
Enjoy talking to you. Yeah, 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 I did.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, yes. Okay, bye. Take
Bye.
care. Take
Bye, ma'am.
care. Bye bye.